Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display internet speed on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. In this device, if you want to display your internet speed and then you need an additional application, well, here please open the Play Store, and then you can type in the search field, Internet Speed Meter. Okay, and then you can download this one. Because here I have downloaded, and then I will open the application like this. And then here you can see at the top of your device, the internet speed display. Okay, and then if you want to close it again, and then you can open the application, and then you can select the three dots at the top, and then you can tap stop and exit. Well, that's the tutorial on how to display internet speed on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.